In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the K-pole in order to analyze the traction effort of your patient. The K-pole comes along with 2 official snap hooks and a strap, which will enable you to fix the device to the patient. You have to tighten the strap correctly around the patient so the K-pole is well placed and the flexion angle is 90 degrees. Let's place our patient. Now fasten a snap hook around the patient and another one around the K-pole. Then, let's install our sensor and the strap. Now you have to make sure that the flexion angle is still 90 degrees. Here, we will have to tighten the strap a little bit, so we will have the correct amplitude. Make sure to fasten it so it doesn't move. Pull a little. And now the system is well placed and operational.